Assalamu alaikum everyone. Our today's topic is distance between a point and a line. Let's begin with an example. Calculate the distance between the point A, that is 6, 5, and the line y equals to 2x plus 3. So they drew the line y equals to 2x plus 3, the blue one, and plot the point A, that is 6, 5. To calculate the distance between the point A and the line, they drew a straight line, the red one, that passes through the blue line and cuts the blue line at point B. So basically we need to calculate the distance between the point A and B, and that would be the distance between the point and the line. So let's begin with the step 1. So in step 1, we need to find the slope of a given line and a slope of a new line. Slope of given and new line. Okay, now what is a given line? The given line is y equals to 2x plus 3. That is a linear equation in slope-intercept form, and its slope is the coefficient of x, the m value is 2. Now what is a new line? New line is basically a line AB, and that is perpendicular to the line y equals to 2x plus 3, and we know that when two lines are perpendicular, their slope must be negative of reciprocal of each other. So the slope of a line AB would be negative 1 by 2. So that negative reciprocal of 2 is minus 1 by 2. So that is the slope of a new line. Let's move to step 2. Okay, in step number 2, we have to find the equation of new line. Means the equation of AB. Right? And we know that the equation of line in slope-intercept form is y equals to mx plus b. And the m value we know is negative 1 by 2. So y equals to negative 1 divided by 2x plus b. Now how do we solve for b? To solve for b, we have to use a point A, that is 6 and 5. So just substitute x is equals to 6 and y equals to 5 and solve for the b value. Let's do it. So y is 5, negative 1 divided by 2 times 6 plus b. Okay, now we have 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times negative 1 would be negative 3. So 5 equals to negative 3 plus b. Now to solve for b, we have to shift negative 3 on the left side. It becomes positive 3. So that would be 5 plus 3 equals to b. And from here, the b value is equals to positive 8. Right? Now the equation we have got, just substitute the value over here. We have y equals to minus 1 divided by 2x plus 8. That is the equation of new line, that is the equation of line AB. Let's move to step 3. Okay, in step 3, we need to compare both lines, the new line and the given line. Compare both lines and solve for x and y. So we need to compare the given line and the new line and solve for the point x and y. Okay, let me write down the given line and the new line. Okay, the given is y equals to 2x plus 3. That is my given line. And the new line we have just got is y equals to negative 1 divided by 2x plus 8. Right? Let me name it equation 1 and equation number 2. Okay. So we can see In equation 1, we have the y value that is 2x plus 3. I can substitute that equation into my second equation and solve for x. So we have 2x plus 3 would be equals to 1 by 2x plus 8. Now to solve for x, we have to shift the x terms on the left side and the constant terms on the right side. So 2x plus 1 by 2x equals to 8 subtract 3. Now I can write 2 as 2 by 1, and to make the same denominators we need to multiply the fraction by 2. So it would be 4 by 2x plus 1 by 2x equals to 8 subtract 3 is basically 5. Now since the denominators are same, just add the numerators. We have 5 by 2x equals to 5, and to solve for x we need to take a reciprocal of 5 by 2 and multiply it on both sides. The reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5, so multiplying both sides by 2 by 5. So 5 cancel with 5, 2 cancel with 2, here 5 with 5, and we have got the x value that is equals to 2. So the x value is 2, right? Okay, now substitute that x value into equation 1 or equation 2 and just solve for y. I would like to substitute in equation number 2. You can also put it in equation number 1. There is no restriction. So y would be equals to minus 1 divided by 2. The x value is 2 plus 8. So we have y equals to negative 2 divided by 2 plus 8. You have y equals to negative 1 plus 8. So the y value is positive 7, right? Now the new point we have got, name it b, and that is equals to xy, and that is equals to 2 and 7. That is a new point. So we have done with the step 3. Let's move to step 4. Okay, in step 4, we need to calculate the distance between the point A and B. Distance between A and B. And we know that the distance formula is d equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Okay, now what is a point A and what is a point B? Let me write it down first. So the point A is the A point I have in the question 6 and 5, and the B point we have just got it, that is 2 and 7. Also let me label it with x1 y1 and x2 y2, right? Okay, let's substitute the points into the distance formula to calculate the distance between the 2 points. So the d would be equals to square root x2 minus x1. x2 is 2 and x1 is 6. So we can say that 2 subtract 6 whole square, right? Plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 7 and the y1 is 5. So we can say that 7 minus 5 whole square. So d would be equals to square root of 6 minus 5 whole square, that would be negative 4 whole square, and 7 minus 5, that would be 2 whole square, right? Now the d value would be equals to square root of negative 4 squared is 16 and positive 2 squared is 4. So the d value is square root of 20, and the square root of 20 is basically 4.5 units. So the distance between the point and the given line is 4.5 units. I hope you guys understand how to find the distance between the point and line. It's a basically 4-step method. If you want to watch more and get updated, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you. See you in my next video.